So, on behalf of the South Indian Scholars Group of International Studies, I welcome you all. In particular, the panelists today we have Dr. V. Srilada, who's Assistant Professor in the Department of Political Science in Osmania University and formerly a faculty in the Center for Indian Ocean Studies. And we have Ms. Chaitra, who's Assistant Professor in the Department of Political Science and are teaching political science in the Government First Grade College in C.R. Pura in Gubi. And we have Ms. Saurina, who's a project associate in the National Institute of Advanced Studies, who's my colleague here. And we have Ms. Nasima Khatun, who's a research associate in the Center for Air Power Studies in New Delhi. And I also extend my warm welcome to all the attendees or participants who took time to join this panel on the important topic on the emerging global strategic environment, trends and challenges. I appreciate the panelists as well as the participants for agreeing to be part of this webinar. And when we talk about the strategic environment of emerging global strategic environment, we all know that the strategic reordering of the world is underway. One, it is due to the rise of China, due the technological and military, the advancement has given rise to the change. And third, now with the COVID-19, the world order is being under the transformation. And the trends are very clear, and challenges also has been noticeable by the experts and the policymakers. And when you talk about the challenges and the trends, it's very clear in terms of geopolitics, in terms of security in the sense of both traditional and non-traditional means, from the state perspective as well as from the people's perspective. So given this context, I thought it's important for this the organization or group which we have to take a look how the strategic environment is changing, what are the trends, what are the challenges that is coming up. And to speak about this, I have four learned scholars with me today who will be talking from the different aspects of this emerging strategic environment. We will have Dr. V. Srilada to speak on the Indian Ocean region, why there is a strategic change in terms of environment there. And we have Ms. Nasima to speak from the nuclear security perspective or angle, how the nuclear threats are emerging in the region, whether it's from the China or from the Pakistan or from the North Korea. We have seen in the region, the Indo-Pacific or Asia-Pacific, how the nuclear issues are coming up and threatening the peninsulas or the subcontinents. And we have two speakers from the non-traditional or non-conventional side. Ms. Saurina will speak from the aspect what is happening in the Bay of Bengal region in terms of non-traditional or non-conventional threat, especially on climate change. She will touch upon. And in a continuation, Ms. Chaitra will be speaking on the climate negotiations in the global level and how the trends are there, what are the challenges in terms of global negotiation on the non-traditional. So with this, I will now invite Dr. V. Srilada